So Serena, first of all, wish you a very happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and thanks for coming to Zoom.
Thank you so much.
Celebrating Christmas, how important it is, the Christmas festivities and what all goes around it, how important it is for you.
Well, Christmas always has such wonderful memories ever since childhood. For Christmas, we used to always be with our Nana Nani in Lucknow. And, my grandmother, like 5 days before, the cakes were being made and the tree was being decorated. And I was busy writing letters to Santa Claus कि ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए.
तो वो list बहुत लंबी होती थी.
वो list was, I think Santa Claus used to bring me only 3 things.
मगर वो लिस्ट अब आपके बच्चे भी वो लिस्ट बनाते हैं वो सेम.
खैर they are 20 months old, but I'm still making that list for my husband.
You're still following that, you're making for your husband now.
Yes, absolutely. ऐसे शादी की है तो निभाना भी पड़ेगा.
तो आपने ट्री डेकोरेशन की बात करी, हमारे पास कुछ छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं. If you could decorate this Zoom tree for us a little bit, and we'll also keep talking about it. So there are few things here. So, बचपन की कुछ अगर यादें आप कैसे सजाती थी?
In fact, family में I used to be the one जिसकी responsibility थी tree सजाने के लिए, always. And none of the cousins they were all helpers. अभी तक मेरे सारे cousins में कहते हैं you was the most Hitler-like tree decorator because सबको line में खड़ा करती थी. सब एक चीज़ देके खड़े रहेंगे, nobody will touch the tree. I will decorate the tree. So still today, and this is the best part because the star है that only my brother could put because he's so tall. Okay. And my husband puts now because our tree is really big.
Really big. But जब tree सजाने की बात आती है तो आप कुछ चीज़ें हैं, particular चीज़ें अगर जो significant चीज़ें हैं, you have to get those things while you're decorating your tree.
Every year when we do the family tree, सबसे पहले we think of a color scheme nowadays. So this year, for example, at one of our houses in Singapore, the whole theme is just emerald green and dark red. No other color is allowed. Okay. So ultimately, the tree turned out to be very, very, very bright and beautiful. And I love that every year, last year blue and silver thi. Okay. The year before that was just white. Okay. So every year there's a color theme, and we love to follow color themes.
Absolutely. And this year, what are you wishing for? What Santa list तो आपने अपने husband के लिए लिखी होगी, of course, but anything on your wish list?
Special list for my husband Peter, of course, and I hope he's listening. And my wish would be, the biggest wish this Christmas would be by next Christmas 377. Absolutely. Section 377 is revoked and people have their life of dignity and freedom again. I wish that women are safer by next Christmas and they can go out after work. We can step out at whatever time of the night wearing whatever we want, okay, without anyone taking advantage of women. So these would be my wishes, and of course rest of the material wishes of the world would be that the movie that I do in the coming year is a very, very big hit.
I hope Santa is listening to this wish list.
Santa is fed up of me, I think.
Of course, पहले मम्मी पापा को list, अब husband को list, I think he's fed up, right?
Well, no, I think we are just married for a couple of years, so abhi tak the honeymoon phase is still going on.
And if I ask you if there's any particular tradition which you have always followed on, through your family, especially during Christmas, what would that be?
Well, Christmas is definitely a day when my grandmother used to take us out to the nearest orphanage, and we used to take a cake there. Okay. And we had to share all our things with the children there. So we had to there used to be also toys. Things came for us, and then a bunch of things came for the kids there. So we would take all those things and go there and have a small little party. And we try to keep the tradition alive, not only on Christmas but on Diwali as well. And then we have picked up some traditions from Austria because my husband is Austrian. So there's a whole tradition of polishing your shoes and keeping it on the window. The babies have to do that, and next morning it's full of sweets.
But why? What's the significance of keeping shoes near the window? The Santa.
I've been good. I've been a good boy or a good girl, and I've been taking care of everything. And look how nicely I've polished my shoes and put it out on the window. And then you put your list for Santa Claus in it. Okay. Next day the list is gone and it's full of sweets.
That's a very new kind of tradition or something.
It's actually a very old European tradition, and I was introduced to it when I got married to my husband, and I love it. I think it's wonderful.
Very sweet thing
very
to do,
sweet thing to do, yes.
And so this year for your kids, how special this Christmas is going to be? Are you in India or are you going to be in Singapore celebrating your Christmas?
No, very much in India, and it's as tradition has it's going to be at my parents' place. The kids are already there with Nana Nani, and the tree decoration is pending. So once I get free from work, we are going to be flying down, and there's going to be a wonderful Christmas as ever.